Conical Helix Blender Dryer blends multiple products through a dual helix blade system. The outer helix moves material inward, while the inner helix pushes it outward, ensuring uniform and thorough mixing. The specially designed hollow blades allow utility circulation. Additionally, a limpet or jacket is provided on the cone and dust catcher, ensuring uniform heat distribution. This integrated design guarantees efficient heat transfer and optimal drying performance. Post-mixing, vacuum drying starts. Hollow blades and a jacketed cone enable consistent heat transfer for effective drying. The dry powder is formed. A built-in timer-based lump breaker ensures de-agglomeration of the product. The vapor passes through the dust catcher and is then condensed in a dedicated condenser. Vapors are condensed and collected in a receiver, maintaining vacuum and process efficiency. To minimize product loss, nitrogen purging dislodges fine particles from the dust catcher, returning them to the cone. Inline sampling enables checks without breaking vacuum. Bottom discharge ensures full product recovery. Integrated CIP/SIP systems clean and sterilize all internal surfaces for the next batch.